It's a musical figure, not magical. Okay, alright, so okay, so you hold your partner like this, and you're going to bounce, 1, 2, right? And at the same time, you go heel, toe. Yeah? Let's do it again. Ready? And heel, toe, and 2 steps. 1 and 2. Change foot. Heel and toe, and 1 and 2. Go back right. And again. And heel and toe, and 1 and 2. And heel and toe, and go. Okay, so you do this twice. Okay, put your hands down and clap. Right hand, put your hands down and clap. Right hand 3 times. Right. Left and left. Knees. Not knees. Knees. And both. And you give your partner your right arm like this. You can see. You put your arm like an L shape. And put your fingers behind. All your fingers, including your thumb, behind. Pull a little bit, pull, and turn, pull, turn, stop. Boys are looking forwards to the next girl. You say goodbye, but you don't say goodbye, you just go. Like typical men, go forward. Boys go forward. Boys go forward to a new girl. Oh, boys. Forward. Okay, new girl, new partner. Face your partner. Ready, bounce, and heel, toe, 1, 2, 3. Heel, toe, back to me. Heel, toe, 1, 2, 3. Heel, toe, right hand. 1, 2, 3. Left hand, left. Easy. Turn. New partner. 3, 2, 1. Heel, toe, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, girls don't move. Boys move. You're a girl now. Yeah? Okay, with the music. Ready, with the music. Thank you.